Good morning. Today we will do our blending with these sounds. Let's reinforce what is blending. Blending means joining together. Joining together. Here blending means joining the sounds together. Joining the sounds together. Now first we were dealing with 2 letters. Now we are starting with 3 letters. How many? 3. Now here I will start with at, mat. First you will take the sound of first letter, then second letter, and then the third letter. You have to take the sounds. At, mat, mat. Again, at, mat. Repeat with me, nursery. Come on. At, mat. At, mat. Now, let's read this word. Man. Man. Again repeat with me, nursery. Man. Man. Now, I'm making another word. This all is blending. Pan. Pan. Again. Pan. Don't get confused. We will repeat it weekly, okay? Do not get confused, nursery. We will try it. And one day you can read all the words, inshallah. Now, again, repeat with me. Pan. Pan. Okay, again I'm putting another sound. Tan. 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 Pat. 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 Again. Pat. Sat. Again repeat with me. Sat. Sat. Mat. Mat. Now, what we have done today, we have learned the 3-letter words of at, and an. Okay? At, and an. So, now you will make words with at and an. Okay? Do not get confused. We will repeat it daily. It will be a great fun. Thank you, nurseries. Bravo. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.